Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Alpaca trading. In order to do so, here we are at alpaca.markets, and according to their website, Alpaca is an API for stock options and crypto trading. Trade with algorithms, connect with apps, and build services with our easy-to-use APIs. And you can see here that in order to proceed, we can sign up for free. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to click on sign up for free. And here, in order to create our account, we are going to have to put in our information and then sign up. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll enter in our information and then we'll proceed from there. Okay, and once you have gotten all signed up and you're all logged in, then this is the screen that you're going to find. So on the left-hand side, you'll see Home, Account, Alpaca Connect, Plans and Features, API, Community Support, and Legal. Let's go ahead and just go one by one here. And let's see that we are going to want to activate. Also, we can see here, good news, we can now create up to 3 paper accounts. So this is something that we can do in order to get familiar with Alpaca. You can see here, create up to 3 paper accounts and access your account settings. Okay, we've got some documentation that we could take a look at. Again, if you want to activate, you could do that there. We could see that if we select account, then this opens up and we have a few more options to explore. We have positions, orders, activities, balances, and configure. Let's just go ahead and click through each. And we can see here that looks like we are going to need to activate our account through an authenticator in order to proceed. So that's pretty much seems across the board. Let's see here. Let's take a look at plans and features. Let's see marketing data. So yeah, pretty much we are going to need to activate in order to proceed. So let's go ahead and give that a shot. Let's try clicking activate. Okay, so we could see here that we're going to need to activate 2-factor authentication via an authenticator app. So you're going to want to get the authenticator app. You can download on Google Play or iOS, and then you can scan this QR code to proceed. And that's how you're going to be able to use Alpaca trading. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find links to our top AI tool recommendations. Click on those to get started. Also have a link here for Roamless eSIM. Click on those to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.